In today's video, I will walk you through how to estimate trading fees on dYdx. To begin, navigate to the trading interface on dYdx and select the market you plan to trade. Once you've chosen a market, enter your desired amount to trade. You can either enter the amount in EV or tap the change button to enter the amount in USD. Next, the order type and the position size you want to trade. As you prepare your order, review the order summary shown in the trading panel. dYdx displays an estimate of the fees that will apply before you submit your trade. This estimate is based on your order details and your current fee tier, giving you an idea of what you'll pay if the order is executed. It's also important to understand that fees can differ depending on whether your order adds liquidity to the order book or removes liquidity from it. In general, limit orders that remain on the order book may qualify for maker fees, while market orders typically execute immediately and are usually charged taker fees. The exact fee depends on your account's current fee schedule. Another factor that can affect your trading fees is your recent trading volume. On dYdx, accounts with higher trading volume may qualify for lower fee tiers. This means that your estimated fees may change over time as your trading activity increases or decreases. Before submitting your order, take a moment to compare the estimated trading fee with your expected profit target. Even small fees can make a difference, especially if you're placing frequent trades or trading with smaller position sizes. And that's how to estimate trading fees on dYdx.